Welcome back to Car Recap Hub. Today, we're reviewing one of the most iconic SUVs in the world, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. Known for decades as a symbol of durability, off-road mastery, and luxury comfort, the Land Cruiser has been reimagined for the modern era, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. The exterior design of the 2025 Land Cruiser stays true to its rugged roots, but with a fresh futuristic twist. The sharp LED headlights, bold grille, and muscular body lines give it a commanding presence on any road. Whether parked in the city or climbing steep mountain trails, this SUV radiates confidence and strength. Step inside, and the interior immediately shows Toyota's commitment to luxury and comfort. Premium leather seating, advanced ambient lighting, and a massive digital infotainment display dominate the cabin. The seating layout is spacious, family-friendly, and packed with smart storage options. Every detail has been carefully crafted to provide elegance without sacrificing durability. Under the hood, the 2025 Land Cruiser offers powerful engine choices including hybrid options, giving you the best of performance and efficiency. Toyota's advanced off-road technologies, like multi-terrain select, crawl control, and full-time 4WD, make sure this SUV can conquer sand, mud, snow, or rock with ease. It's built for true adventurers, but smooth enough for daily city driving. Safety is where Toyota never compromises. The 2025 Land Cruiser comes with Toyota Safety Sense features including adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, automatic braking, and even semi-autonomous driving assistance. It ensures maximum safety whether you're on highways or off the beaten track. The 2025 Land Cruiser is more than just a car. It's a legacy reborn. A vehicle that stays true to its heritage of toughness, while delivering modern luxury and technology for the future. From family trips to rugged adventures, this SUV is ready for anything. So, what do you think? Is the Land Cruiser 2025 still the king of SUVs? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned to Car Recap Hub for more detailed reviews of the world's most exciting vehicles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep up with the latest in the automotive world.